Hi, my name is Vince, and I'm going to discuss carbon dioxide. What is carbon dioxide? CO2 is a chemical formula for carbon dioxide, but what does that stand for?
A cat and two oranges?
No,
A car and two olives?
no,
One carbon and two oxygen atoms?
yes! Atoms are the basic unit of matter, which means that atoms are in everything. Think about the tiniest thing you've ever seen. Got it in your mind? Now, cut it in half again, cut it in half again. Pretty small, huh? Good. Well, believe it or not, atoms are even smaller than that. Sometimes, atoms come together to form an element, which is something that cannot be broken down any further. As it is already in its simple form, carbon and oxygen are examples of elements. When one carbon and two oxygen come together, the compound called carbon dioxide is formed. Compound are when or more than one element combined to create something new. Where is carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide can be found all over the world, in the air and the ocean. However, it is not always produced naturally. There are many man-made sources of carbon dioxide. One source of carbon dioxide is the burning of fossil fuels. People burn fossil fuels when they are using most forms of electricity or driving their cars. As of 2016, carbon dioxide accounts for less than 1% of the Earth's atmosphere. However, with human beings producing carbon dioxide every day, the number is increasing. Plants remove excess carbon dioxide from the air. They breathe in a way that is opposite of humans. Did you know when you breathe in oxygen, you end up breathing out carbon dioxide? The carbon dioxide produced is made from the carbon that is in the food that you eat and excess oxygen. Plants, however, breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe it out as oxygen. How plants use carbon dioxide. So it was mentioned that carbon dioxide was a gas. However, it can be also be a solid. Have you ever seen dry ice? It's pretty cool. And it can cool a drink, clean and even make a fog from special effects. Outer space is freezing. Carbon dioxide found there is in the form of dry ice as well. Carbon dioxide is one of the most common compounds in the world. You can't see it, it is an invisible gas with no color. Some people claim to be able to taste or smell carbon dioxide, but in fact, it has no smell and no taste. What people are smelling is the burning of carbon dioxide. Where is carbon dioxide found? Natural sources include volcanoes, hot springs, and geysers, and it is freed from carbonate rocks by dissolution in water and acids. Because carbon dioxide is soluble in water, it occurs naturally in groundwater, rivers and lakes, ice caps, glaciers, and seawater. It is present in deposits of petroleum and natural gas. What are the uses of carbon dioxide in everyday life? Carbon dioxide is used as a refrigerant, in fire extinguishers, for inflating life rafts and life jackets, blasting coal, foaming rubber, and plastics, promoting the growth of plants in greenhouses, immobilizing animals before slaughter, and in carbonated beverages. Why is carbon so important? The significance of carbon. A compound found mainly in living things is known as an organic compound. Organic compounds make up the cells and other structures of the organisms and carry out life processes. Carbon is the main element in organic compounds, so carbon is essential to life on Earth. Carbon dioxide is an odorless gas that is highly important to life on Earth. CO2 is also known as a greenhouse gas. An excessive concentration of can disrupt the natural regulation of temperature in the atmosphere, and lead to global warming. The concentration of CO2 has especially increased as a result of the Industrial Revolution and exponential growth in the manufacturing activities around the world. Deforestation, agriculture, and fossil fuel are the primary sources of CO2. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.